Hello everyone, and welcome to the Crash Test channel. The 2024 Volvo EX30 has showcased impressive safety performance in its Euro NCAP crash tests, reaffirming Volvo's long-standing commitment to protecting occupants. During the frontal offset test, the passenger compartment remained intact, providing strong protection for the knees and femurs of the driver and front passenger. However, Volvo received a slight penalty for not proving this level of protection would extend to occupants of all sizes and seating positions. In the full-width rigid barrier test, the driver's safety was rated as excellent, while the rear passenger's chest protection was assessed as marginal. The vehicle excelled in the side barrier test, achieving maximum points with outstanding protection for all key body areas. In the more demanding side pole test, chest protection was deemed weak, though the rest of the body received high ratings for safety. The car demonstrated effective control of occupant movement during far side impacts, and the center airbag performed well, ensuring robust protection for both the driver and front passenger. Whiplash protection in rear-end collisions was rated highly, with good scores for both the front and rear seating areas. The EX30 also comes equipped with several advanced safety features, including an e-call system that contacts emergency services after a crash, a system to mitigate secondary impacts, and mechanisms to enable door and window operation in cases of submersion, providing an extra layer of security. While there are minor areas for enhancement, the Volvo EX30 stands out as a compact SUV that prioritizes occupant safety. Its sturdy build, innovative airbag systems, and cutting-edge safety technologies firmly position it among the safest vehicles in its class. How do you feel about these results? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more safety insights and updates.